This is a multiplayer snake game inside Discord. No canvas, no website, no embeds, just reactions and deleted messages. And yes, you can kill your friends. Snake has come a long way since its release in 1997, but the idea actually goes back way further, all the way to 1976, with an arcade game called Blockade. Fast forward to today, and Snake has evolved a lot. It's no longer just green dots on a grey screen. We have massive multiplayer games like Slither.io. and even 3D Snake games for some reason.
Why, oh why do you exist?
You can play Snake in your browser. You can play it in your phone.
This was the easiest kind of level mode. Oh my god. Oh yes. He's getting real big.
And then there's this, whatever this monstrosity is that I built. A scuffed multiplayer Snake game inside Discord where 5 people are screaming in chat and my bot is fighting for his life. We've peaked, guys. It's all downhill from now. Discord is not a game engine. It was never meant to be one. But it does have bots. Bots can send messages, edit messages, delete messages, and react to messages. And that's enough power to do something very stupid. I coded the bot in Python using the discord.py library. The entire game is just one message, a 20 by 12 grid made out of emojis. That's it. Black squares are empty spaces, white squares are walls. The apple is an apple emoji. For the snake, the head is a colored circle emoji. The body is a matching colored square emoji. I avoided the color white and black for heads because they look like walls and empty spaces. Boom. We have snake. Now we just need movement, but pressing keys types text, and that's useless for real-time control. So instead we use reactions. The bot sends the game message, adds left, right, up and down arrow reactions, and listens for which emoji gets clicked. When you click a direction, the bot reads the reaction, updates the snake position and removes the reaction. Boom! You're controlling a snake with emojis. But for competitive matches, this is kinda slow, so I added another input method. Players can type entire move sequences like this. The bot reads the message left to right, interprets W as up, A as left, S as down, and D as right. Then it deletes the message and executes each move one by one. It's surprisingly playable. Now, this all sounds simple, but Discord really does not want you doing this. Reactions are slow, messages are slow, input arrives out of order, sometimes Discord just says no and drops an input completely. I did everything I could to smooth it out and make it playable, but at the end of the day, I'm fighting Discord's API, and honestly, that's half the fun. Now let's talk about apples. What the fuck? Now let's talk about the apples. There is only one apple on the board at a time. It spawns on a completely random empty tile. When a player's snake head touches the apple disappears. The snake grows by one segment and the player's score increases. The more apples you eat, the longer and more dangerous your snake becomes. And here's the catch. If your snake head touches anything except the apple, a wall, your own body, or another player's snake, you die instantly. That's the core game mechanics. Now for multiplayer. Any player can start a new game using a / command. The bot sends a lobby message with a 10 seconds countdown and a tick reaction. Anyone who clicks the checkmark joins the game. When the timer ends, the lobby closes, the message turns into the game grid. An apple spawns and every player spawns in a random position. At the top of the board, each player's name is shown with their assigned color, so everyone knows which snake they control. The goal is simple: survive as long as possible and eat as many apples as you can. The game ends when only one player remains. After that, the bot displays displays the result: first place, second place, third place, and so on, based on survival and score. We can also increase the grid size. A bigger map means longer games, more chaos, and more time for someone to make a terrible decision. At some point, it stops being Snake and turns into a psychological horror game. The player limit is capped at 7 players. That's because I'm limited by clean looking emoji colors. But I could add more, but then it starts looking cursed. And also, if you have more than 7 friends willing to play this with you, congrats! I can't relate. I've provided the bot files in the description. If you want to try this for yourself, go to the Discord developer portal, create a new application, go to the bot section, reset the token and copy it, enable presence intent, server members intent, message content intent. Then go to the installation tab, copy the invite link and add the bot to your server. Download the executable, put it in a folder and create a file called creds.txt. Inside it, paste your bot token. You can also tweak the grid size. The default is 20 by 12, but you can make it way bigger if you want. Run the bot and it should come online. That's it. Go bully your friends with emoji snakes or something. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.